Using some fabric, scissors, pins, a zipper, and a tape measure, and a sewing machine, we're going to be learning to make a pencil pouch. For the fabric for your pencil pouch, you could really use anything that's nice and sturdy, so I used a cotton fabric that had a fun print on it. For the zipper, you can get lots of different ones at the store. Unfortunately, the one that I had, I used in the pencil pouch already, but you can find them anywhere with any type of width, or that you can find a lot of different kinds of zippers available. I used a smaller one because this is the one that I had on hand, but if you have a really long one, there are ways that you can cut them up and make them more suitable to the size of your project. And we'll include a video in the upper corner for you so that you can see some different ways that you can use zippers and how you can work with them. For my pencil pouch, the way that I did this is I cut out fabric that was 4.5 inches wide by 8.5 inches long, and I used a zipper that was 6 inches. So if you have whatever size zipper you want to use, you can go with that. If you want to make this a little bit bigger or smaller, depending on the purposes and needs, you can definitely do that as well. There are no pattern pieces for this one, so once you just cut out 2 rectangles, whatever width and length that you would like for your pencil pouch, and you have your zipper, you'll be ready to go. I have my fabric cut out and I have my zipper. I'm going to start to attach my zipper to the fabric. So I'm going to take one piece of my pencil pouch, and I have my zipper face down so that the side of the zipper I want facing the outside, so like the right side of my zipper is facing towards the right side of my fabric. So with the right sides together, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pin right across the top of this so that my zipper is pinned to the fabric. And then this is what it would look like once it's sewn up. You'll be able to see that we're only going to see part of the zipper, and then we'll have the right side of our fabric. I'm going to repeat this for the second side so that I can have both pieces of my fabric pinned to my zipper, and then we will sew it up. And as a quick test to make sure that I pinned the zipper correctly, I can fold the fabric down and I can see that this is how my pencil pouch will end up looking once I sew the zipper on. So now I'm going to go ahead and sew it. It may be helpful to zip up the zipper so that the actual zipper pull itself doesn't get in the way of your sewing. So I'm going to pull this down, lift up my sewing machine, and then zip up the zipper pull. So here is my completed zipper. So now I'm going to trim up the loose threads and then start on the next step. So now what I'm going to do is I see that for mine my zipper is a little short, which I knew it was going to be. But I want to make sure that this area is closed and this area is closed, so if I put something into my pouch it doesn't fall out. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to fold this over, and I see that I want right here to come together. So I want to take a seam so that this part stays closed, and then at the top I want to take a seam so that this part stays closed. So seeing that, what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to fold this over, and then I'm going to put a pin right here so that I know that I need to make a seam right there so that I can't see the zipper, and then I'm going to do the same on this side. So now my zipper is completely attached to my pencil pouch, and I also have this one side of my pencil pouch completely sewn up. So now the rest is pretty simple. All we're going to do is I'm going to fold this over, pin up the last 3 sides. Make sure your zipper is already open when you do this, because this is the hole that we're going to use to turn our pencil pouch right side out. And then after that, it is all complete. Now my pencil pouch is all sewn up, so I'm going to trim off the extra thread and turn it right side out, and it will be all done. And here is my completed pencil pouch. So it zipped up really easily, and the zipper's on the top, you can see it there. If you had a zipper that maybe matched your fabric a little bit better, you may not be able to see it as much, but this was the one that I had on hand. So we can easily show how you can zip it open and then we can just throw a pencil right inside and then zip it closed. This could also work for maybe makeup brushes or small things you have around the house, so you can just easily put them in and have them all nice and zipped up and in one little package. Full write-up for this pattern will be available on our blog, which will be linked below in the description. And if you would like to see more videos just like this, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.